Hi, today I'll show you how an app called CleanSpace works. Every single task completed using your PC leaves traces that may be more informative than you would like them to be, especially when prying eyes are involved. That's why you need to constantly delete this sensitive content, and an app like CleanSpace could be the solution to this problem. After a trouble-free installation, once you open the app, you are prompted for a number representing the amount of junk your PC hosts, shown in bytes. Your options are pretty simple, and no extraordinary effort is needed to benefit from the app's capabilities, as there are three main buttons you can access to customize the cleaning process. Clicking the Details button opens a new window that allows you to analyze the content that the utility has identified as useless and doing nothing but overloading your PC. There are several categories you can check, containing temporary files or log files that document your browsing. To name a few, you will see sections like Windows 11, Windows 11 apps, Skype, Opera, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, iTunes, and more. Each of them is listed with corresponding cache items, which you can delete individually in case you don't want to give up all the junk at once. Otherwise, pressing the delete button in the main window should remove the junk in just a couple of minutes, with a summary provided at the end of the task so you know the result of the operation. As you can see, the user input needed to invest in the cleaning process is quite low, but there are some settings you can adjust. You can, for example, ask the program to show the daily price or statistics in the main window. Additionally, you have a say in the appearance of the program icons listed by the app. All in all, CleanSpace is an easy-to-use app that lets you take control of all the junk your PC normally stores, such as registry entries, temporary files, logs, and whatnot. Since deleting this data not only protects your identity but also improves the performance of your PC, and thanks to the fact that the program is responsive and accessible, I recommend it as a reliable solution for everyone. See you next video, and now some music.